Day 117, we are still stuck in this space void. According to our calculations, the food reserves will allow you to survive for another 15 hours. Good luck. Attention, a new arrival of space matter has been caught by the slurp system. That's just some space scrap. Throw it into the quantum black hole interstellar trash can on the left. Attention, new arrival of space matter. This one is too big for the quantum black hole interstellar trash can. Grab and use the disintegrator. What's this sparkling anomaly? Interesting, we need further informations. Place it into the Doom Nuclear Void Spectrum Analyzer. Congratulations, you found a new energy source. According to my calculation, that's enough to power the beer cooler or restart the engines, your choice. Doors unlocked. Reach the space teleportator ahead. As you forgot to use the plasma molecular magnetic chocolate shield, avoid the asteroid or you will die.